Hey guys, it's me, Lizzie. If you watched my last video, you will know that for the month of January, I will be sharing 31 edible perennials that you can plant in your yard. One reason you should be planting these edible perennials in your yard is because you just plant once for years of bounty. Also, be sure to know what growing zone you are in. Let's get started. The first edible perennial on my list is hosta. Yes, hosta. Hosta's hardiness zone is zones 3 through 9. And believe it or not, these leaves can be sauteed, added to stir fry, or often used in wheat-free sandwich wraps. And when in doubt, just treat it like any other leafy green. Believe it or not, the hosta flower is actually edible too. They are a bit bland, but they can also be used as colorful garnish. Another great way to use these hostas is to roast the hosta shoots, toss them in olive oil, add salt and pepper, and roast them in the oven at 450 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes. One of the most popular hostas to cook with are Montana, but all hostas are edible. The harvest time for these plants are in the early spring when the plant sends up tightly rolled shoots. And what you want to do is cut off a few at the root from each plant, kind of like you would asparagus. All right guys, and that's it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to learn about 30 more edible perennials that you should be growing in your yard. Thanks for watching Little House and Homestead. See you tomorrow.